To achieve a full-screen display on your Sceptre monitor, understanding aspect ratio and resolution is essential. These two concepts work together to determine how content appears on your screen. The most common aspect ratio is 16:9, known as standard widescreen. This means for every 16 units of width, there are 9 units of height. Most modern monitors and content use this format. Another popular format is 21:9, called ultra-wide. This provides more horizontal space, making it ideal for productivity work and immersive gaming experiences. Now let's clear the screen and focus on resolution. Resolution refers to the total number of pixels displayed on your screen, typically expressed as width times height. Common resolutions include Full HD at 1920 by 1080 pixels, Quad HD at 2560 by 1440 pixels, and 4K UHD at 3840 by 2160 pixels. Higher resolutions provide sharper, more detailed images. The native resolution is your monitor's optimal pixel count. Setting your display to its native resolution ensures the sharpest image quality and prevents blurry text or distorted visuals. Modern Sceptre monitors support impressive specifications. Gaming models offer 4K resolution at up to 144 Hz refresh rate, while standard gaming monitors can reach 240 Hz at full HD resolution. To ensure optimal display quality, always set your monitor to its native resolution in your computer's display settings. This prevents blurry text and image distortion, giving you the best possible viewing experience. There are two primary methods to configure full-screen display on your Sceptre monitor. The first method uses the monitor's built-in OSD menu, while the second method uses your computer's software settings. The OSD menu method uses the physical buttons located on your monitor. These buttons allow you to access the monitor's built-in settings menu. Navigate to the picture or display settings in the OSD menu. Here you'll find the aspect ratio option, which controls how the image fills your screen. The OSD menu offers several aspect ratio options. Full or stretch mode stretches the image to fill the entire screen. Aspect mode maintains the original proportions. 1:1 provides pixel-perfect mapping, and auto mode automatically detects and adjusts the display. The second method involves configuring settings through your computer's software. In Windows, right-click on the desktop and select Display Settings to adjust resolution and scaling options. You can also configure display settings through your graphics driver's control panel. This includes NVIDIA Control Panel, AMD Radeon settings, or Intel Graphics Command Center, depending on your graphics card. For optimal results, ensure that the aspect ratio settings match between both your monitor's OSD menu and your computer's software settings. This coordination provides the best full-screen display experience.